What the brap is up, fellow brapsters? Did a video not too long ago on tuna casserole for the trail. Everybody jumped on team chicken instead of tuna. So this is the update with chicken instead of tuna. Also, just a milestone, 500 subscribers. Thank you all for your support. It's crazy. I love it. So I'm gonna introduce you to a character hops on the show once in a while, Happy Doc Camper. And again, thank you for all your support. Hello there, fellow friends, trail hoppers, hikers, campers. I got a story, a tale to tell you while I drink my kava tea so I can relax. Because this story really upsets me. But I know it upsets me every time I tell it, doesn't it, Deej? I'm so sorry. Even my poor puppy's like, please don't tell that story again. But I gotta tell y'all, this motorcycle camper, he came into my camp and he's like, I need some recipes. Yeah, he said he needs recipes. I said, I'll give you some damn recipes, okay? I'll give him my favorite recipes. And I gave him some good ones. I ain't gonna lie, I gave it up. I was a little nervous. I hadn't had my kava tea yet. So, but I pulled a funny. I told him about this tuna casserole one. It's really supposed to be chicken. So that dummy, he went and he made a video about the tuna casserole. No, you don't need no kava tea. I can't share this, okay? No, he's not coming. He's not coming back. He won't. He's not coming back, okay? We moved on camps. He'll never find us. He'll never find us. He told everybody. And everybody on his video told him, hey, dummy, we need chicken. So anyway, cheers. Let's have some coffee. And you enjoy those trails. And watch out for them motorcycle campers looking for recipes. 95% of you voted chicken in tuna versus chicken in tuna casserole. But I got a message the other day from a little Cody. Very nice lady, said that her son Cody voted chicken. So I'm gonna update this. The cooking is the same in my other video. We've got the Alfredo, which is already cooked up, and the green beans, which I just stirred in. This time we are adding premium white chicken. And we'll do a taste test and see if you guys are right. Here we go, team chicken.
That's much better. And I feel like you always catch me when I look really bad under videos, but it does taste much better.
Payback's up, you know.
I don't videotape you and put it online after you've worked
Babe,
all day.
Nobody videotapes anymore. What do you think, Deej? Oddly enough, the chicken tastes just about the same as the tuna to me. A little less fishy, but that's it. But we aim to make you all happy, so had to try it. Most of the team chicken, I would say, needs a little bit of salt since it's not fishy. But that wasn't on the meal plan. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your input. All team chicken, go for chicken. That was not bad. As always, stay safe and come join the adventure, baby. No, I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Yes, it was chicken. Chicken's what you need, okay? Sorry. I had a little bit too much kava tea that day, okay? And I found a funny looking cigarette. I smoked it on the trail. I just wasn't myself. I'm sorry. Can we still be friends?